Wow, today is a very special day. We got something in the mail. It's our very first
gaming PC.
Yeah, let's open it.
Okay.
Whoa, there it is. It's our first ever laptop. Well, Vincent likes to say it's gaming PC because he's going to be downloading all kinds of games. I can make it all fancy with a piece of fabric instead of plastic. Yeah.
And this is the charger, obviously. Nothing on this side, okay.
They gave us some little spare parts, like little screws. I wonder what that's for.
Nice pillowcase.
Pillowcase. Ooh, I hope it's charged and ready to go. How's it feel? Is it smooth?
So
Ooh, it feels so good.
see the sides. I saw already a lot of reviews. There's no ports here except for this thing. I don't know what that is. And a lot of people don't like that for some reason, but it's not that big of a deal. All the ports are on that side. There's no discs or anything.
I wonder if it came pre-charged and ready to go.
Yeah, so nothing. Okay.
Look at the review, it's opening. Oh, it's so new. Wow, look how big the keyboard is. It's like it's bigger than our home computer.
Looks like it's gonna need some charging.
Yeah. I think we saw in the pictures, like it shows like this kind of changes colors. Help your gameplay, but it looks pretty.
A lot of computers have that already.
This is a charger?
Mm-hmm.
How does it charge? It's a cord. It's just a cord. It doesn't have like a box.
Oh, there's probably something else. I missed this giant block.
That's the charger right there.
I'm just gonna keep this.
Just to connect all of this together. And look, it comes with warranty. We got kind of scared because we got this on Amazon. They charged over $100-something for warranty, and they say on Amazon that they usually don't try to help you out if you're getting fixed, so we don't want to buy it.
We do have a mouse and a mouse pad, but for now we're just gonna use the trackpad to, just for the beginning.
And what's the very first game you're gonna want to get?
Valorant.
Purple to orange to green and not to blue.
Why are you obsessed with that?
So now he's gonna set this up. He's gonna put our Wi-Fi password and all that stuff so we can get going.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
That's every
A little
computer.
sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi
every
there,
computer?
and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do.
I didn't
Use
know
your
laptop
voice
was
or the
talking to you.
keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the
what are
Windows,
the computers
Control,
talking?
and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough in the United States.
But Lauren is so curious. She's like, who's talking right now?
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with? Do you
Oh,
also
there's-
type with
who's
another
talking?
keyboard layout?
What's happening? What's happening?
Now let's get you connected to of Microsoft.
Oh, thank you.
Hey, look, that's me, Cortana. Can I have permission to use the info I need to do my best work?
Yes.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends. Go ahead and review them and select Accept when you're ready.
It's all set up now.
Yep. Now I just gotta wait for it to load up the main menu, and then we're good.
And then you're gonna try to download your new game.
And I'll
Is
play
it a free game or no?
Yeah. For some reason, the bar got turned inverted color, so I'm just gonna change that real quick while I'm at it. We need to download Chrome real quick, and then we'll get going.
Oh, look at Halona.
Please.
Yeah, she just downloaded Undertale and played the whole genocide run.
No, I did not.
Wow, Halona, that was good. This new laptop really helps you get to the next level fast.
No, I could do this on the computer.
Okay, guys. So what do you
On the
think?
other one.
What do you think about this computer versus home computer?
Very happy.
It's very well, honey.
Happy.
You're very happy. Aww. Vincent's been asking for this for a long time, huh?
Yep.
Okay.
Well, guys, so that's our review.
Okay.
We'll let you know if anything bad happens later on. But right now, it's pretty good.
No, we won't.
We won't. It's going to last a long time. We got to keep away from the baby sister and drinks, right?
Imagine. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye. Thanks for watching.